Okay, so let's use to the if statement first. How we can do that? Let me go over here in the code. Okay, let me remove this unnecessary code. You can see I erase that and let's start with the if statement. So right now see first I'm creating as the variable a. Okay, and the data type is what? Int. Okay, after that equal to I am assigning something value. Suppose I want to put to the I am age of 21. Okay, and I'm saying what? The semicolon. Right now, what program we need to make? We need to make something if. Okay, if condition after the brackets. Okay, brackets are called as an expression. Means right now you are giving your computer as a brain. Okay, he can take to able to the decision because what happened? We said our computer do addition, subtraction. We said that because whatever we are saying, right? But after that, right now we are saying to our computer take a decision. Okay, and we are giving also the knowledge how he can take to the decision. That decision is nothing but to the expression. Okay, let's do the expression. Suppose I want to be if condition. You can see over here this is exactly our if condition. Okay, if your condition is false then it will be a not printing anything, but if your condition is a true then what happen, it will be a printing that statement which one you have. Okay, now we are going over here and we are writing by a is greater than equal to suppose 18. What happened? Means suppose there is one club, okay, that one club is only allowing who is person more 18 more than, okay, or maybe 18. I have the one club. Inside only I am allowing persons who are a greater age or equal to age of the 18. Okay, those who are below 18, we are not allowing them in that particular club. Okay, now see because it's a 18 plus club. Okay, now after that what happened? I am using brackets, curly brackets open, curly brackets close, and inside I am writing my printing statement. Print f inside of the bracket what? Welcome. Okay, let me use to the quote also. Welcome to club. Are you getting? Right now I am 21, right? So they are allowing me. Yes, right? Isn't it? And if suppose I am not 21, I am suppose a 5 years old child. They're allowing me? No, because they are not saying anything. Because why? I am not eligible for that particular club. So this is what when we have only the one true statement, when we have to the one true statement, that time we are using what? The if condition. Okay. Now after that we are going with the second condition that is called else. Okay. Else statement is the combination we are saying if and else. Okay, means what? When we have to the a false condition, one is a true and one is a false. That time we are using else if condition. Okay, let's use it that. Let me show over here. If suppose there have the two condition, two statement. Okay, right now my statement are going. After that, my condition they will check it's a true or false. If suppose true, then first condition will be a satisfy. If a false, then it will be a going to the another condition and it will be a end your program. Okay, now simply I talk about your attendance machine, right? Isn't it? If you are on a time, then they will allowing you. If you are not on a time, they will be not allowing inside of your class, right? Let's make that without wasting time. Let me removing unnecessary things. Okay, this is my again normal program, right? Let's use our attendance machine. First, I want to take one student using by int is the data type. After student is my variable name. Okay, is equal to is the assigning operator, and I am putting suppose he's coming to the 7 o'clock. Okay, and after that semicolon. Rather than okay, let's complete that me. After I'm going to the down and I want to write a condition, right? So I am using right now if else condition. First if inside of the bracket, okay, what we are saying inside of the bracket, my student is great less than equal to suppose my timing is every day for class 9, suppose, okay, 9 o'clock. Then inside of the bracket I'm going to the down and I want to print that print f inside of the bracket Okay, put it to the semicolon inside of the bracket. What I want to say, allow him, right? Allow, or we can say allow and mark, mark, okay, as present. Getting? Okay? Or if suppose he's coming in the 9 o'clock only, then mark his present. And if you're not coming, else without expression, write that. What we need to write? Print f inside of the bracket. Okay, I want to write absent. Are you getting? Are you getting? Or mark as a, it's already, we can say as a mark as a absent. Nothing allow, and this one we are not saying because it's already absent. Mark as a absent. Right now, let's check that without waste time. I am running program. I am suppose coming at 7 o'clock. You can see, you know, allow, right? What that? Mark as a present. If suppose it's coming at 8 o'clock, what happened? It's a allow mark as a present. If he coming to the suppose 9 o'clock, still what? Mark as a allow to the present. But even if suppose he will coming to the after 10 or 11, after 9, what happened? Mark as a absent. So what right now I am giving a logic to my computer. You can think. Isn't it? Okay. Now see, even if you want to put even the float type, right? So means even point wise, means after one after nine, right? Even the 1 second also he late. So how it will be possible? Just remove your int, float over here, float. Okay, now suppose any person are coming 1 after 9. See, even the 1 minute late, what happened? It will be showing as a mark as absent. Are you getting? So that exactly. And if he's coming to the before even the suppose I want to say that it's coming suppose before 8, okay, and if suppose 10, are you getting? Or we can say our what is that last time about 80 59, right? Still he will be a mark as a present, right? So that exactly. So our working machines are properly working, right? Okay. After that, we are learning that is called elif condition. Which one is third? We have to the third type, three types of condition, right? If condition, if else condition, and last is elif condition. Elif condition means what? When we have to the multiple conditions, not only the one, right? Isn't it? Means what happen? Your program will be a start. They will checking this condition is satisfied. Then if suppose first condition will be satisfied, they will go to the first statement. If not that, it will be a stop over here. It will be going to the second condition, right? Is it second condition are match? If a match, then it will be this executed. If not match, it will be going to the your third condition. If third condition will be apply, then third condition will be apply. If suppose it's not match, then else one means last one condition will be executed perfectly. Getting? So that is exactly the structure. Now we already started with our grade system, right? So let's use that. Let me erase the unnecessary code. Okay, done. Now, right now, your grading system. Okay, now what happened? First, I'm writing one integer that is carrying your marks. Okay, or mark only. Okay, marks as a variable name is equal to is a sign operator. Suppose 90% you get. Okay, after that, enter. I'm writing first if condition. First condition if, okay, if my marks is greater than equal to equal to suppose 90%, because we are putting to the slabs. Okay, grade A, grade B, grade C, grade 3, grade D. Okay, so my marks is greater than 90. Okay, then what? Inside of the bracket I want to say print statement, printf. Okay, what that printf is saying, don't forget to use semicolon. That print statement is saying grade A, right? Okay, after that again else if